Today I will be showing you how to use conditional formatting to highlight specific data in a range. The first step is to select your range of data. For this example, I will be using the data under sticker price. Then, under the Home tab, click Conditional Formatting. Under Highlighting Cells, there are several different ways to highlight specific data in a range. For this tutorial, I will show you how to highlight data less than $30,000. To do so, click Less Than. And since I want to highlight data that is less than $30,000, I will type in 30,000 and I will highlight them with light red fill and dark red text. Press OK. And now any data less than $30,000 is highlighted in red.